Hershey's Reese's Pieces Equations. How many Hershey's bars are hidden or masked by the red box? Each of these two pictures contains the same number of Hershey's bars. Each red box masks or hides an equal number of Hershey's Reese's Pieces bars. Now solve this visually concrete equation by using the symbolic representations of R for the red box and H for the Hershey's Reese's Pieces bar. Each side of the equation contains the same number of H units, that's Hershey's bars. Each R masks or hides an equal number of H units. What is a possible first step to solve this symbolic representation of an equality of Hershey's bars with some Hershey's bars hidden by red masking boxes? Remove 2H from each picture. Subtract 2 Hershey's bars from each picture. Simplify each side of the equation by combining similar terms. Now to obtain one R in the right-hand picture, representing only one red masking unit, consider that the contents of each picture of this equation can be expressed as a multiple of a smaller group or denomination. When the multiple in each picture is the same multiple, then each picture of the equation can be reduced to the smaller group or denomination. If 4R in the right-hand picture of the equation is multiplied by 4 and divided by 4, then 4R can be expressed as 4 times 4/4 R, or simply 4 times 1R. If 6H in the left-hand picture of the equation is multiplied by 4 and divided by 4, then 6H can be expressed as 4 times 6/4 H, or simply 4 times 1 1/2 H. Separate or divide each picture into 4 identical groups. In this case, uniform factoring by 4 is used to identify the 3 duplicate groups on each side of the equation. Now there are 4 identical groups where there was once only one group that was 4 times as big. Each of the 4 groups in each picture of the equation is equal. Each group of the left-hand picture is equal to each group of the right-hand picture. Creating a fraction with a denominator of 4 will remove 3 duplicate groups from each side of the equation. Without the green factor of 4 in the right-hand picture of the equation, only one group of 1R, or one masking unit, would remain. Without the green factor of 4 in the left-hand picture of the equation, only one group of 1 1/2 H, or 1 1/2 counting units, would remain. Remove 3 duplicate groups of 1 1/2 Hershey's bars from each side of the equation. 3 duplicate groups of 1 1/2 Hershey's bars were removed from each side of the equation. Each red box contains, hides, or masks 1 1/2 Hershey's bars. The Hershey's bar value for 1R can be substituted into the original equation to determine if it is a valid solution. Use parentheses to replace R. Rewrite the original equation while leaving an open set of parentheses in place of the masking unit R as shown. Replace R in this parenthesized original equation with the value 1 1/2 H. That's 1 1/2 Hershey's bars. Simplify. Use the distributive property to multiply the mixed number. 4 times 1 1/2 H is 4 times 1H, and 4 times 1/2 H. These simplify to 4H and 2H. Combined, that's 6H. Simplify, then combine similar terms on each side of the equation. Find the total number of Hershey's Reese's Pieces bars in each picture. Each original picture actually contains 8 Hershey's bars. Count the Hershey's bars in each picture to see. Check the answer in these original pictures to prove that the two pictures each contain the same number of Hershey's bars. Each original picture actually contains 8 Hershey's bars. Count the Hershey's bars in each picture to see.